What's up, guys? I just took Max for a little ride, and I noticed something. I posted on my Facebook page, and then people kind of told me about it. So today I'm going to correct a deficiency that the dealer did on my 2019 Royal Enfield Himalayan, and especially with the panniers. So I'm going to show you those things, so stay tuned, like and subscribe to this channel, and we'll get to it shortly. So again, I just went for a little ride with Max. That's the name of my bike. And commuting to and from work, it's pretty good. I got my panniers, like I said here, and I was informed about something that the dealer did wrong. That's the installation of the panniers. They're backwards. So there's what I carry in there, but you see they latch from the front. Well, not a great idea. And in physics, if they somehow came unlatched, the wind's gonna blow them off and I'll lose the top. So really what I wanna do is just show you how I'm gonna unlatch them from here and just swap them around so the lock faces in the back. And we should be good to go. Okay, I've emptied my panniers out and I'll show you what it takes to reinstall these the other way. So there's two separate kind of locking systems here. You have a nut here and then a big screw right here. It's a 5/8 drive, just like any standard pinball leg. So basically you get these unloosened and you unscrew them. Don't worry about it coming off because it won't. You just unscrew those. You'll see there's lock bars here. Just kind of come out like that. And then you have this part right here, which goes onto the frame. So what I'm going to do is use a glove hand just to kind of bump it up. And so I'll use the glove hand to kind of hit up in here, and it will separate from here, and I'll put it on the other side. Okay, I got that side off. And going to the other side now. Again, real simple. Just kind of unloosen this one. Sorry about that. Is just lift up on it. And the whole thing, you can rock it back and forth to take it off. So, all right, so now all you do is kind of lean it back like this. And instead of walking back and forth, you just kind of yank it up. There's one, and there's two. So now I'm gonna do is just reverse sides, and we'll put it on in just a second. Now I'm just gonna put these on the other side. What you want to do is you'll come over here on this side, and you can see that these parts go right in the bars right here. So let me get a good picture of that. So you can see them slide right in there, and then I'm going to push them down. There's one, two. All right, get the locking bars in place. You have a little washer. See if you can get a picture inside here. Get the big one on, screw it on. And then we'll get this one on here in a second. Now, important is you don't want to tighten one side up before the other one. So I'm just going to get it on somewhat tight before I completely crank down on it. Do the same thing here. This is a little wonky. There we go. And same thing, get the washer on in here. And the big screw and tightener. put the nut back on. Before I get super tight, I'm just going to go crank them down kind of evenly. There we go. And then I'll use the 5/8 wrench to tighten them down. Not super tight, but tight enough. And that's one. So now I'll get the other one on and I'll see what it looks like afterwards. I'm done with my pannier install. I switched around the locking mechanism to the back so they won't fly open. No real change. Can't open them from the seat, but that's okay. They won't break. Tell me what you guys think. Again, please like and subscribe to the channel. And if you notice your dealer doing the same thing, now you know how to fix them. Pretty simple.